Hello folks. So Saturday mornings are usually one of those mornings where we anything goes morning. You know, we take the opportunity to go in the fridge and any vegetable, anything that is left over from the week, we just utilize it in some form or fashion. Right here I have some chicken bones, the rotisserie chicken bones, and some sausages, and we just stew them down a little bit. Yeah. And once I get to a certain level, I'm gonna take them out of this oil and I'm gonna start to make a dish. I don't know what it's called. It's just a sausage stew. I don't know, sausage vegetable stew. I don't know. But there's the opportunity to clear out the fridge and you know, don't have anything from this week remaining in there is a big move. And so I just bring you along for this journey. We are normal people. You know, most people on the internet will, you know, make things look perfect. No, I am just a normal guy. I like my chicken bone them, and I like sit down and eat my chicken bone them. So I save them back, and if I not use them as soup, may use them in other ways. So now that my sausage is ready, I'm going to take them out of the oil here, and then I'm show you what I'm going to dump in now. So guys, here comes the big thing now. In this bowl, I have all the vegetables that have been wilted, vegetables that, you know, if them stay too long, them are going to spoil. I have some tomato, I have broccoli, I have roasted red pepper, I have zucchini underneath that. Let me see. I have some zucchini in there. I have thyme. I have some peppers that I picked from my local, from my backyard garden. I have some tomatoes also from the backyard. And this is what I'm just gonna dump into my chicken bones and sausage and stir fry it real quick and see what come out of it. Oh, I have some callaloo too. I picked this callaloo from my backyard, guys. And I say I'm not throwing it away. I'm gonna use it. So callaloo, everything I go in the pot here today. Watch and see. I'm gonna love it. But not telling a lie. So here is my sausage and stuff that I just take out of my pot. Strain off the oil. See the amount of oil will come out of it. Sometimes you have to strain off your stuff. The bowl of oil not good for you. Alright. So now I'm gonna just put my stove back on, and I'm gonna get my vegetables over here, and I'm gonna dump in my vegetables. Yep, clean out this. Let me clean out this. Yeah. Alright, get rid of that. And guys, you would not believe how wonderful this smells. Yeah. I'm just going to quickly stir fry. I'm turn up my heat, turn up the stove, and I'm just gonna quickly stir fry this. Oh, let me add my callaloo same time. Yeah, my callaloo, I'm gonna add it in. Alright, sorry for the movements, guys. You know it already when you're alone and doing this thing. Add in my callaloo. Look how the callaloo fresh, guys. And this was picked a couple days ago. Yeah. Look how the callaloo fresh from my backyard. And I just quickly saute all of this. And then I'm gonna dump back in my chicken and my sausage and put a little bit of what's something your name? Oyster sauce, and we're good to go. Yeah, the thing around. This is what you do when you have vegetables in the fridge that you don't want them to stay in the fridge and spoil. You use them up in this fashion. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep stir frying it to make the excessive water, you know, steam out of it. Yeah, and then we're good to go. Let me turn the stove up to the full. Yeah, and this is what we're gonna have it with, guys. Look at my tostones. Look at my tostones. Don't ramp with me. You understand? And make sure so with tostones right and bright and nice. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Adding in some Mrs. Dash. Yeah. And just a little bit of Larry's. Just a little bit. And now that it get a nice little vibe, dumping back all of my sausage. Go on the one left, that one you have to try. Yeah. And just fold it in. Lock up the stove. And food ready. Simple as that, eh? Simple as that. Now we can spend the next half an hour gnawing on these chicken bones. And Joshua don't like it because him say we are dogs. Only dogs eat bones. But I don't business what Joshua wants to say. Would you try this? If I made a plate for you, would you try this in your neck of the woods? Let me know. You understand? Who to tell? You might be a lucky invite over to the house for some of my creations. Let's see what happens, eh? Yeah, the Belly TV says so. Big up on yourself, man. I'm going to show you a finished plate when we're done. So there, guys, is my finished plate of sausage and chicken stir fry up with vegetable. I have this sauce here that I made, and it is a okra rum sauce. Yeah, okra rum sauce. So when I do my fish, my roast fish, and guys, okra rum pepper sauce. And so I'm going to add a lick up on the top. You know, it's all nice and delicious. Somebody over there said eat. I don't know if she want me to show her on the camera, but anyway, see her right there. So tell the people how the food tastes.
But I don't know how you do it. Don't ask me how you can turn nothing into a big thing. But this is tasting very 5-star right now.
Guys, just don't throw away the things them in the fridge. Just use them up. You understand? What you think is garbage can be a good thing. You understand? Yeah, the Belly TV says so. And trust me, I'm going to dive in now. Yeah. Live and laugh, cook and eat. Remember me telling you.